Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, we're showing you a staircase that had some wonky corners. Every staircase has them, and this is how we handled it. So here at Step Up, we make these vinyl stair nosings out of flat vinyl. This is a loose lay vinyl that we're working with here, so you can see because it had that open edge, we made that 45-degree angle and then cut the little cap there at the 45. And just to make installation a little bit easier, we're going to use a little bit of super glue here on the edges to make that solid into place. We always do all of our dry fitting first, so we get all of our pieces cut and ready to go before we actually do the installation. And this is what's wonky about this one, is that even the riser needs that extra little piece there at the side to be able to fully cover everything. So now that it's set, we're ready to install. So you can see we've done the vinyl on the landing there. You work from the bottom and go up. And this one at the edge here, because we have that other piece going in, those have both been cut on that 45-degree angle with that little bit of super glue for the connection spot there to help hold it into place. Obviously, the super glue sets faster than the other adhesive, and we don't want that little piece to be shifting. So that is how we're going to hold it into place while the PL Premium on the back there hardens. All right, then we're going to get our cap into place here. Like I said, this is a loose lay vinyl, so it doesn't have clicks on it. Normally we would be clicking the two vinyl planks together if we're working with a LVP or a rigid core with a click. So when we work with the loose lay and we are working with a glue that can take up to 24 hours to set, this is how we're going to make sure everything stays in place. So we are using the tape here to make sure it's nice and tight and in place because we don't have that click to hold it. And then we're going to leave it like that for a good 24, sometimes even 48 hours. And then that final piece there with the hammer is to make sure that everything is the same height. Again, with that rigid core vinyl and that click, that does all of that job for you. So if you choose to work with a loose lay, it's just that little bit extra labor intensive to get it done. The reason they're going with a loose lay here is because they did this below and they're doing this above the stairs. That's the great thing about us at Step Up Vinyl, is we make the nosings and do the stair coverings in the exact same vinyl as what's above and below to make sure that it is a perfect match. So you can see here, we're just continuing on the process. Everything is already cut and dry fit. We're going to get it installed. We're going to get it taped, and then it's going to set. Please make sure to hit that subscribe button. We have lots of videos, tips and tricks on how to do all sorts of different stairs with all sorts of different vinyl. Here it is once it's all in place. And again, if you check back in the next few days, we'll make sure to have a final reveal for you. See you in the next one.